Good morning, DGens. What's going on, guys? All right, let's have a morning look at JASMY down one spot in rank to 64. We're down 7.2% on the morning. We're up 89.9% on the week and up 158% on the month, you guys. Market cap still very, very high, $2.46 billion. The volume is still looking juicy as well, $2.09 billion. We're holding above 5 cents, 0.66. For me, guys, it seems like 5 cents is becoming a very powerful psychological level of support. So that's very, very good. Very, very positive. Across the market, we're having some recovery so far, but I mean, we could see more. We'll see what the afternoon brings. But yeah, we'll see what happens after. Let's go have a look over at the chart, see what's happening, see if anything has changed since yesterday. Now I have this here. We were doing some price target deep dives and price predictions over on the Patreon during our group live streams over on the Patreon last night. And I made this bull flag here where I think we're probably going to ping pong here for maybe a week and a half before we take off out of here. And then we were looking at our projected price targets out of there. So we, like I said, we have our golden cross that played out over here. Now, if you have a look, we have an even bigger golden cross that's starting to take shape here as we see the 100-day slowly moving its way up. And we have the 200-day that's continuing. So we're going to see in a couple of weeks, we're going to see the next golden cross, and that's going to be a big one, guys. With the 100-day going back up over the 200-day SMA, we should see a very nice move to the upside on that. So, yeah, I think, like I said, we're going to ping pong here while this 100-day gets pulled up towards the 200-day, and then it's liftoff, guys. That's kind of what I see happening over on JASMY. Going over to the Bitcoin chart. We're sitting at $98,880 right now. Got as high this morning as about $99,500. So we've respected, as you can see, that wonky candle went all the way up to 104,000, then dropped all the way down to about 90,000 on Binance, and then we wicked all the way back up here because we're respecting this the top trend line of the symmetrical triangle. We are respecting it. We bounce. We use it as support. We use it as support so far on the current daily candle. So I am looking for a break to the upside here. Once again, we're just kind of reloading right now. We're reloading, and we'll see how long it takes to kind of load back up again. Now, if we go over to the Bitcoin dominance, we're still rolling over on the dominance, which is great for altcoins, right? This is good for altcoins. If we continue, if we make another, we seem to be having a little bit of a level of support here. As you can see, we keep wicking down, but catching right back here on this level of support at 55.44%. Can we break below that, guys? What I'm looking for, guys, if you want to see true altcoin season start to kick in, Bitcoin dominance needs to drop way down here below 50%, right? Way down we go. Oh. That's what we're waiting for, right? But so far, so good. If we continue to see this collapse, the more altcoins are going to start to run to the upside. Seems to be hitting a level of support, though, which we don't really want to see. If we see a bounce here, guys, if we see a bounce and we start to move back up, altcoins are going to take a hit, right? Because that means that Bitcoin, it's still Bitcoin's time to shine. So we have to keep that. We have to keep that in mind. All right, couple of things to get into. A couple of reposts by Hara and stuff. But first, Mario tweets out, Bitcoin fumbles, JASMY and Solana steal the show. The crypto streets were wild today. Bitcoin stumbled hard, dropping to 94K from its 103K high. Ethereum barely moved, up a little more than 1% at 3,900, while XRP slid 2% to $2.30. Meanwhile, JASMY coin came in blazing, pumping 36% yesterday, and Solana flexed with a 6% pump to $241. The fear and greed index stayed heavy on greed at 81. Volatility is real, and Jasmy and Solana are turning heads. Absolutely, baby. Absolutely. Now, Hara had retweeted this. We covered it yesterday, but Hara just retweeted it today. The new partnership with iotex. Hara says, we, Jasmy, are pleased to announce a collaboration with iotex.io to expand the DPIN market in Japan. We've been exploring collaboration with iotex by having them speak at events we hosted in Hong Kong and by having a meeting with management in Singapore. We would like to start with the deployment of nodes, which are currently preparing for and collaboration with ioteX's DPIN platform. So now, guys, if you're interested in operating nodes for Jasmy, for Onyx Coin XCN, for any other project, you got to get over to the Patreon, because we're doing exclusive Patreon-only videos that we're uploading to the Patreon on how to acquire these nodes, how to operate them, and the perks, the pros and cons of having them. So definitely get over to the Patreon, guys. The link is down below. If you want to participate in Jasmy nodes and stuff like that, that's what we're going to be covering very, very heavily. So also, we have a new Jasmy listing. Say hello to Jasmy on Guarda wallet. Jasmy is a blockchain focused on data and democratization, empowering users to securely control and monetize their personal data, manage your crypto tokens, and create Jasmy wallets on Guarda. And Hara had retweeted this morning as well. So very, very bullish. See, here's Hara retweeting it right here. Jasmy coin, Jasmy wallet. Guarda offers a secure, user-friendly platform for managing cryptocurrency tokens, non-custodial manner. There you go. Boom, boom, boom. So, what else do we got here for Jasmy? Crypto ZM with a price target here. He says, Jasmy coin, a new coin. Yeah, I love when new traders come in. It's all good. It's awesome to see new people looking over at Jasmy because it brings more people into the community, but a new coin. We've been covering Jasmy for years over here. A new coin that looks bullish and is building its structure for now. Projects lined up, tech devs and partnerships are moving forward. He says Jasmy will easily hit 50 cents to $1.80 in 2025. This is predicted to be a $3 to $12 peak in the altcoin bull run. Low risk, high reward. So let's see some of the responses here. We've got 30 cents to $1, but almost $50 billion. This seems to be a stretch. He says, in crypto, money rotates to everything is listed. They will do anything to sell your candles. Look at those to buy BTC for. Yes, exactly. So yes. Now listen, $3 to $12 is a little extreme, right? For me, maybe in the next bull run, yes, I could see that happening. TVL, and you guys know all the deep dives that we do, but 50 cents to $1.80, that's kind of, yeah, I could see that. Also, Hara is going to be at yet another event. He says, please join us next week and win a travel ticket or Saga Beef. Opening Monday. So Hara will be at a Sagan Tosu event. He says, please join us. Here we go. It's the Token Metaverse Year-End Festival. Event number 3 announcement. So there you go. Hara will be at an event for the Sagan Tosu Metaverse Year-End event. So very, very bullish there. And what else do we have? We have yet another article over on none other than Binance. Yeah, Binance. Jasmy, the sleeping giant of Web3 data economy, is awakening. In the vast and competitive world of cryptocurrencies, few projects stand out as true game changers. Jasmy, often referred to as the Bitcoin of Japan, is one of those rare gems. As the global push towards Web3 accelerates, Jasmy is positioned at the forefront of a revolution that combines decentralized data ownership, IoT integration, and data sovereignty. For savvy investors, this is a sleeping giant, that is just starting to wake up. So, what is JASMY? At its core, JASMY is a blockchain-based platform designed to empower individuals with full ownership and control over their personal data. Founded in Japan by former Sony executives, JASMY merges blockchain technology with the Internet of Things to create a decentralized infrastructure for secure data management. Its mission to end the monopolization of data by big tech giants and return the data ownership to the people. With a vision of decentralized data storage and monetized personal information in a transparent way, JASMY is laying the groundwork for the next wave of digital innovation, the Web3 data economy, and why it matters. In today's digital landscape, data is the new oil. But unlike oil, data is often harvested without the knowledge or consent of the individual. JASMY's flipping the script by creating an ecosystem where users can store, manage, and even profit from their own data. In the Web3 era, the ability to own and control your digital footprint is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. JASMY's personal data locker is a revolutionary tool that allows users to safely store their data and choose how it is shared or monetized. Companies pay users directly for access, ensuring transparency and fair compensation. The model is not only democratizes data, but also disrupts the traditional tech monopolies that profit from centralized data storage. JASMY's key strengths, backed by industry leaders. JASMY's leadership team consists of former executives from Sony, including Ondo, who served as Sony's corporation's president and COO. This pedigree brings experience and credibility to the project. Regulatory compliance. Unlike many blockchain projects, JASMY operates within Japan's stringent regulatory framework. It was the first Japanese blockchain project to be listed on Binance, highlighting its legitimacy and potential. IoT integrations. JASMY focuses on IoT, is a game changer. By combining IoT devices with blockchain technology, it creates a secure and efficient way to handle the massive data generated by connecting devices. Global partnerships. JASMY has already established partnerships with major corporations and institutions, including collaborations with Japanese industries. These partnerships highlight its potential for real-world applications and adoption. Why now is the time for JASMY? The crypto market has been buzzing with speculation about JASMY's potential, and for good reason. Here's why this could be the perfect moment to get in on the action. Undervalued assets. Despite its robust technology and partnerships, JASMY is still flying under the radar of many investors. Its current market cap offers immense upside potential. The IoT explosion. As IoT adoption grows, so does the need for secure and decentralized data solutions. JASMY is uniquely positioned to capitalize on this trend. Web3 revolutions. As Web3 becomes a dominant narrative in crypto, projects like JASMY that offer real-world solutions for data sovereignty will gain traction. The road ahead. JASMY is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a movement. It represents a paradigm shift in how we think about data ownership and security. The project's roadmap includes expanding its ecosystem, onboarding more partners, and scaling its solutions to a global audience. As we move deeper into the Web3 era, the demand for decentralized and secure data solutions will only grow. JASMY's innovative approach to solve these challenges makes it a project worth watching and investing in. Conclusion. For those who can spot opportunity before the rest of the world catches on, JASMY is a golden ticket. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, strong leadership, and market potential make it one of the most promising projects in the blockchain space. The sleeping giant of the Web3 data economy is awakening, and those who join the journey now could be part of something revolutionary. Are you ready to take control of your data and be part of JASMY's revolution? Very, very good article, guys. I enjoyed every little bit of that. Guys, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. Surround yourself with a community, guys, of people who've been through altcoin seasons before if you've never been through one. There is no shame in having a community of knowledgeable people hold your hand through an altcoin season if you've never been through one, if it means you can generate life-changing wealth for you and your family. We have a huge community over on the Patreon that has been through multiple altcoin seasons. We have everyone from seasoned veterans to beginners who've been through multiple bull runs, and we help you guys create exit strategies, identify where and when you should be taking profits, when we feel that this bull run is going to peak, where it's going to end, find out where I and many other people over on the Patreon are exiting the market. We actually just got our first 7-digit portfolio member over on the Patreon. We helped them get to $1 million. So congratulations over there. And we're going to keep doing that, guys. We're printing millionaires over there. That's the plan, okay? Millionaires and whole coiners, baby. So definitely get over there. We do group Zoom calls every night, 2 a day. We're going to be doing 2 a day. So get over there, join the conversation, guys. We do deep dive conversations. Get your questions answered, be a part of the conversation, add your 2 cents. It's an amazing, phenomenal community. You can schedule one-on-one coaching sessions with yours truly, where we can help you once again with portfolio structure, exit strategies, profit taking. We're doing node operation videos, DeFi staking, and so much more, guys. Operating super wallets, like when the JASMY super wallet comes out. All that stuff and more, guys. So get over to the Patreon. The link is down below. Once again, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.